My name is Appelusa, and I am a world champion artistic roller skater. I am best known for skating in a Chet Faker Gold music video. I have been a USA Roller Sport certified coach for over 20 years, and for the same amount of time, I've been working in the entertainment industry as a skating performer, coach, coordinator, consultant, and choreographer. And now I'm here to teach you how to roller skate. Ready to roll? Today I'm going to show you an intermediate style tutorial. This is how to not skate like a sumo wrestler, better pushes. What I mean by skating like a sumo wrestler is you keep the weight in between your feet and you don't shift your weight, so you're skating doing small pushes. Let's not do that. First exercise I'm going to show you how to do starts with just balancing on one foot. I'm going to use my arms for balance because that's more comfortable for me. If you want to keep them down, that's totally fine. Start by keeping your weight in the center of your foot so you're not rolling around. Make sure your knee's not conking in. Keep it pressed towards the outside edge. Lift your belly, and the free leg, you're pointed at a diagonal from the inside heel wheel of your standing foot, and you're pointing through your big toe wheel. We're going to bring that foot in all the way parallel to the toe wheels of your standing foot. Transfer your weight and pretend to push the other foot out without leaning towards it. So we're staying balanced over the standing foot. You're pointing through your big toe wheel. So you're reaching that foot away from your hip. Bring it in, transfer your weight, pretend to push with the other foot. Bring it in, transfer your weight, pretend to push. Let's just do that a little bit quicker. Essentially, that's what we're going to be doing rolling. I have another exercise for you we're going to do, pushing with one foot. This is called scooter pushes, and this is what we teach in the intermediate class at the skating rinks. Start with one foot facing forward, keep your hips square. Turning your toe open of the pushing foot is going to want to turn your hips. Don't let them. Keep them square. Press the knee of the standing foot towards the outside edge of your standing foot. Weight is in the center of that foot, knee is bent. We're going to turn the back foot open slightly, and we're going to create friction by pushing down on the big toe wheel into the ground. Now you'll notice I'm letting my free leg roll out before I create that extra friction and follow through with the push. It's rolling out and push. Let's try the other foot. Same setup. You're bending the standing knee of the front foot, the standing foot, pressing to the outside edge, pressing the knee, square the hips, keep your belly in, and we're pushing with the other foot. One foot's going to be harder than the other foot. Again, notice I'm not leaning towards the pushing foot. I'm leaning away from the pushing foot. Now let's put the feet together. Push, together, switch. Push, together, switch. Push, together, switch. Now if you want to skate faster, you push harder into the floor, creating that friction with the big toe wheel. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be uploading some more tips and tricks to everything roller skating.